Hi everyone, in this video I will be speaking to you about the Section Builder tool in SkyCiv. This is going to be an onboarding video about the Section Builder tool, which can be used as a standalone module, but it's also integrated into SkyCiv Beam and Structural 3D. To start building, click on any of the available shape templates on the left side of the screen. You can also choose a section from our database, which provides thousands of predefined structural sections from around the world. The dimensions and properties of these shapes are sourced directly from official documents. You can search up specific shapes or materials. The custom menu allows you to create your own shapes. This is a useful feature when the shape you are after does not exist in the templates. You can do this by defining points or line paths. You can also sketch your shape in any CAD package and then import it here as a DXF file. My Sections will allow you to save your section design to reuse or edit later. Sections saved can even be seen and used by other members of your team. You'll be prompted to assign a material, but you can also make material selections or adjustments in the left-hand panel. Next to here, you'll see tabs for dimensions and operations, which you can use to edit your section design. Operations allow you to rotate, translate, and mirror your design. More complicated sections will typically involve more than one shape. These are referred to as built-up sections. To create a built-up section, first uncheck the Clear Previous Shapes box. Now, when I click a new shape, it will appear next to my pre-existing shape. I can edit it to the size and position I want. I can also assign a different material property. The analysis tool uses a finite element-based mesh method to compute cross-sectional properties and stresses, resulting from combinations of applied forces and bending moments. You just assign your forces and run analysis. Results will appear on the right-hand side panel. To view the render on a larger scale, click on the render button and it'll open up into a full-screen view. To download a PDF report of the result, you can click the Download Report button down here. Lastly, I'll touch on direct strength method design. The direct strength method is a design approach used for the analysis of cold-form steel members. Unlike traditional methods that rely on calculating effective section properties to account for local buckling, the DSM directly computes the member strength using its full unreduced cross-sectional properties. To use the DSM feature, go up to the Design tab and select FSM. Once this loads, it would have automatically calculated the DSM factors for your shape. You can see on the right-hand side a table of all the buckling factors and on the left, a plot of results of the finite strip method calculation. If you are happy with these factors, click Submit to continue, or you can adjust these points by interacting with the graph. By clicking on the point, I remove it and set the factors on the left to 0. By clicking again, I assign a local factor, and by clicking the same point another time, I assign it to be distortional. A third click on this point will assign it to both. Once submitted, you can see a tick on the top right corner, which you can click to review your values. We also have other available design tools, such as concrete design, detailed steel design, and aluminium. The concrete design tool allows users to calculate the section capacity of any shape, reinforcement pattern, or combination of loads. You just need to upload a section, click concrete design, and you'll have options like material, reinforcing position, loads, and analysis all available to you here. I'll just add in my reinforcements, loads, and pick my design code, and then click Run Analysis. This will output for me a traffic light utility ratio summary table, graphic profiles, stress and strain results, and column MN interaction curves. If you have any questions, send us a message on the platform. Our team is always here to help.